Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode. I also wanted to draw your attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to enter the settings, so the three dots icon right here, and then enter the settings. Let me maybe change the orientation. So now in the camera settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom, or actually we do not have to scroll down because we've got it here. So let's simply tap on restore to default settings and confirm it with OK. We just automatically got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.